Because in the past, I don't have the tripod in here yet. Because I just decided I'm going to restart my channel. That's better. But, so, you just want to, everything in there has to be super clean. If you have any metal particles, anything, they can basically mess up the entire engine. They'll clog up your oil filter. They'll mess up all your oils. But I mean, I just wanted you to find out, like, because if I would have found out, like, this, you know, if I would have knew this in the past, I could have saved so many engines. Why does this have to be a thing?